Understanding the season premiere, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular phrase in the entertainment world, season premiere. This term is often heard in the context of TV shows and series, but what does it actually mean? Let's explore together and enhance our English vocabulary. A season premiere refers to the first episode of a new season of a television series. Think of it as the opening chapter of a book in a series. It marks the beginning of a new set of episodes for that particular season, often introducing fresh storylines, characters, or settings. It's an exciting event for fans who have been waiting to see what happens next in their favorite shows. The significance of a season premiere lies in its ability to re-engage the audience. It often comes after a break between seasons, sparking viewers' interest with new developments. Season premieres can also include cliffhangers from previous seasons, making them highly anticipated by fans. For television networks, these premieres are crucial for attracting high viewership ratings. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a popular TV show like Game of Thrones. When a new season is about to start, the first episode is its season premiere. This episode is often advertised heavily and discussed widely on social media, highlighting its importance in popular culture. You might hear phrases like, "I can't wait for the season premiere of TV show," or "Did you watch the season premiere last night?" Understanding this term helps you engage in conversations about popular media and enhances your cultural awareness in English-speaking contexts. And that's a wrap on season premieres. I hope this video has shed some light on this popular phrase and its significance in the world of television. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.